rain showers. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Friday, southeast wind.